Hello again. This time we have something here in the bag. That's the retail package, like this. Very nice presentation. And there it is. i9 in a cube formation. Very nice cube. There's a logo right there. All the specifications sealed, of course. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside. So we are removing the seal, just like this. Bam. There's another seal here. Okay, and another should be there. Okay, and it's open like this. Just like this. Bam. There's the box. See? Some kind of code here. You just take it out. What's in the box? There's a manual there. You won't take it out. It's kind of pointless. So anyway, that's the device itself. Right there. Okay, so that's the PC. Whoa, huge doors. You can see I have an Noctua 15 there. Need to remove it and install this beast. So much dust. So, is it better than the old 8700K? Yes, it is. 20% more efficient in a multi-core. And single core, basically the same. In games, some games 2 frames per second, some games 8 frames per second. So, depends which game. Yep. And yeah, it's way more expensive. The temperature is about 10 more degrees Celsius. Of course, very power hungry and not that cool. It's pretty hot, but yeah, if you want the best of the best, go for it. If you want something better for the buck, go for this one. Still very good. Look at the presentation. It's way better than the old box. The box and this. This is like in the Star Trek movie. This cube for the Darth Vader. Not Star Trek. Star Wars movie. That was that cube for the Darth Vader. Yeah, you remember this? Anyway, whatever. Thanks for watching.